The reason I became a personal injury attorney begins with when I was in law school. I worked for a law firm on the other side, and I saw people that were injured against very, very large law firms that were very effective in minimizing the damage or minimizing their injuries. And as I became an attorney, I began to work with a gentleman named John Higginbotham, who was president of the Alabama Trial Lawyers Association. And I had the opportunity to represent a lady who had been injured by a drunk driver who had been overserved in the state of Tennessee. And she was left in a wheelchair for the rest of her life. And it was a terrible thing. I would go to her house, and one day I remember she had a homemade bridge, and she had rolled across it and had missed it late at night and had laid in the dirt all night long until some family member found her. And it was my job to help her. And I tried the case against a very good law firm, and I lost. And I cried in the courtroom with my client and their family, and I've never really gotten over that loss because I've always had the sense that that was a case that should have been won. And so since then, I have relentlessly gone to every program, whether it's the National Institute of Trial Advocacy. I've spent 6 weeks on a ranch in Wyoming with Jerry Spence. I go to the ultimate seminars by the American Association of Justice. I try and improve my skills. And back then, I didn't have that skill set, and it bothers me to this day that I didn't win that case for that lady. But now I have the biggest verdicts in these counties, and it's because I care. I go to my clients' houses, I spend time with them, I do everything that I can do to win, and I make sure that they do everything they can win. If that means they're not an effective person on the stand, or they're nervous, or they just don't do a good job, we model their behavior, we videotape their behavior, we show it to them. We work with our clients until they're the best that they can be. And I work every day, every single day, to be the best that I can be, because I never want that to happen to me or another client again.